Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide balance on Polka Wallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To hide balance on Polka Wallet, firstly go ahead and launch open your Polka Wallet application. The home page of Polka Wallet application will appear on the screen. Click on Settings option at the bottom right corner of the page. You will end up on the settings page of your Polka Wallet's account. Click on Preferences. On the next page, slide the slider of Hide Balance to the right side to turn it on. This is how you can hide your balance on Polka Wallet's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.